What's happening, folks? This is Gerard's Horticulture. It's Christmas again. We just touched down. UPS just dropped it off. I had to sign for it. Phyto certificate attached for declaration and clearance and all that. APHID and USDA, which I totally get, man. I totally get what's going on. Why it's so hard to, why you should really have things inspected. Because we got lantern flies now in Pennsylvania, and hopefully they don't make it down to Jersey. But transporting different species and different types of land definitely, creates problems. But this is what we got. Packaged very nicely. This is like a double header, and I had to just get this out here. This is smooth, but look at the way they did that. That was like art right there. That's art how they did that. They used, like, they wrapped it in tissue paper, taped it to the top of the box to stabilize. Because when I ship out my plants, I don't like the movement. When you're moving it around, I don't want to hear any noise, because if it's something moving around, and if it gets a great shift, then I don't want to shift this one. But I just think it'd be better received if there's less movement when you're packing. I'm going to, glad I recorded that too, because I'm going to have to try to follow the same guidelines, because they didn't use any air foam or anything like that. I usually use the air foam when I'm boxing. So I'm gonna get off my knees, get a little closer to you guys. This is a special treat today, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, cats and dogs, squirrels, groundhogs, eagles and hawks. This is a special occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the titty cactus in the building. Do you see the little, look at that, the breast cactus in the house. And I don't want to touch it because it does look like it can hurt me. Alright, but that's, I gotta I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Something else, man. Something else. Why? Somebody had like the penis cactus that looked like a penis. Myra, she had the penis. I got the titty cactus, or the breast cactus. Crazy. The plant world is crazy, y'all. I mean, we keep discovering these things. These things just come, and then information is spread through social media. You get to talk to me, I get to talk to you in my little space on the planet, and I can hit another space on the planet, and the distance doesn't mean anything. So this is what we're doing. Gerard's Horticulture. Guys, I forgot the name. But A. Plants delivered it, and it's actually I'm just getting it to tell you about it, and that's what I wanted to stress to him. I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm just telling you about this particular plant, which is the